Stop. La. Uy, ginising niya pa tatay niya. Mother, yung ano, yung Ajay isa, Ajay na ganan, Ajay guyod-guyod na nga orange, ilagay ipatong para gumalaw, hila-hilain niya. Nandun ata sa loob. Hindi nga niya alam, eh, pinapakuha ko, eh. Pero ilagay natin kasi hinihila niya 'to, eh, oo, 'di ba puwede yun? Nandiyan sa loob. Nandiyan na siya, tago, tago. See, we can put that one, the camper there. You wanna put the camper? No? Wala, 'yan na muna nga. Oh, ikaw magpayong ka na. Magpayong ka na niyan. Oo nga, binili pa sa Japan 'yan. Stinky. Motherly garbage na 'yan, ayaw ni Jeff na sinusunog 'yan. Yeah. You put your socks in it? Ah, sige, grandma is gonna get grumpy. Look at that horsey, your unicorn, that's a big muscle there. Parang nakakatakot na yung muscle ni unicorn, eh. At can we put that now? Yeah, no? Can we put it on the so that your camper is gonna ride? Yeah. Why you do that? Sige. Tataas pa yan, itaas mo pa yan, mother. Taas pa yan, ayan tataas yan, eh. How you do Jelana, can you teach grandma that one? Basta, yeah. Oh, why you did that? Hindi parang ano, slide yan, slide. Sa baba yan. There you go, yeah, mag-slide. Yan, mag-slide yan, ta's mag-slide yung hindi yan, sa kabila yan. Yung baby doll mag-slide. Hey, yeah, see? Slide. Ayan na, yan na ni. Slide, higa, ah. Okay, slide again. Okay, eat your food. Bestie. That's a nice camper, Jelana. Grandma can play now.